Grains ended higher except for corn futures on Thursday. DuWayne Bosse with Bolt Marketing is joining us with analysis. And DuWayne, we've seen a recovery now in both wheat and soybeans after what? You think we put the lows in or not?
That's a great question right away. I do. I think a lot of that selling, Michelle, was actually due to the end of the month. March option expiration created a lot of selling, a lot of Brazil selling for their new crop harvest. So, no, I think the lows are in. I'm questioning how much we recover, and I'm afraid we might have a little bit of a downward trend here going into spring. But I'd say March corn can probably bounce back to maybe around that 650 area, which is about 50% retracement of this recent fall.
So corn was not higher on the day on Thursday. So was there any main reason for that, do you think?
You know, there are some projections now out there that Brazil might have a much larger corn crop that we're even thinking. I think it's actually trending a little bit lower, but you know, it's not even planted the bulk of it yet, right? Because they raise most of their corn is that second crop of corn. So a lot of estimates flying out there, but yeah, I know there was one out there early this morning that had their crop even larger, so I think that put some pressure on the corn market today.
That and exports still 40% below where we were a year ago on the weekly report.
Yeah, the exports are not good, and being a bull, I'm a little disappointed in that export demand and starting to realize that it's just not going to be there. So next USDA report, they probably cut maybe 50 million bushels from that demand side there.
And no confirmation of the China business that's been talked about on corn either.
Right, earlier this week we talked about China buying, 3 to 4 cargoes of U.S. corn. I think they did buy it. We didn't get that confirmation yesterday, but we could today, we could on Monday.
That's right. And do you think that corn and soybeans eventually move higher as we go into the springtime period?
I am a bull come spring. I think there's just too many ifs out there. I think we get a weather scare, we get a price rally.
Thanks so much, DuWayne, for joining us. DuWayne Bosse with Bolt Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.